NatGold. It just makes sense. Not gold, not Bitcoin. The natural evolution of both. The new monetary standard. For decades, the world has been waiting for a real alternative to fiat, something permanent, trustworthy, modern, and aligned with the values of a changing world. Bitcoin blazed the trail. It broke the spell of fiat and proved people were ready to opt out. It awakened a generation, but it lacked intrinsic value, price stability, and environmental harmony. Gold offered permanence and trust. Tokenized gold made it portable, but still relied on physical extraction, refining, transport, insurance, and vaulting. The cost was still enormous, the environmental impact still devastating, the social footprint still heavy. Both were powerful, both had merit, both changed the world, but neither could complete the mission alone. So we asked the inevitable question: what if you could merge the best of both, without the trade-offs? NatGold doesn't reject what came before. It completes it. This isn't about replacing history, it's about fulfilling it. Bitcoin wasn't the destination, it was the beginning. Gold wasn't outdated, it was waiting to evolve. NatGold is the monetary solution Bitcoin made possible, and gold made necessary. This isn't a battle between camps, it's a shared evolution towards something better. The cost of traditional gold. For thousands of years, we've paid a heavy price to unlock gold's value. Mountains tumbled, rivers dredged, forests cleared, communities uprooted, all to free an element whose value was already there, but trapped behind destructive, capital-intensive processes. And even after extraction, refining, transport, insurance, vaulting, auditing, a continuous drag on returns, a subtle ongoing form of erosion that every investor pays one way or another. As the world grows more conscious, more ethical, more sustainable, more values-driven, one reality becomes clear. There must be a better way. Or, as Sir Paul McCartney said best, there must be a better way to make the things we want, a way that doesn't spoil the sky, the rain, or the land. NatGold is that better way. The breakthrough: digital gold mining. NatGold Digital has pioneered a revolutionary, patent-pending process called digital gold mining, a method that frees the monetary value of gold without ever harming the earth. NatGold certified in-ground gold resources, supported by NI 43101, JORC and SK 1300 technical reports, the same industry-standard technical reports relied upon by investment bankers and mine developers worldwide, are digitally minted into blockchain-based tokens. No excavation, no blasting, no carbon footprint of heavy machinery, no transport, no vaults, no dilution from the endless costs of physical handling. The gold remains exactly where it belongs, in nature's vault, untouched, unscarred, unspoiled. Yet its value enters the digital economy as a sustainable, non-dilutive, transparent monetary asset. This is gold mining, reimagined, not extraction, liberation. The Metamorphosis. Before it becomes NatGold, it's still just gold in the ground, real, valuable, but grounded, like a caterpillar sealed inside its cocoon, unable to evolve into its full monetary potential without the heavy environmental, social, and financial costs of physical extraction. Stranded in a system designed for another age. But NatGold was never meant to be bound by that, because once digitally mined, something extraordinary happens, something transformational, something evolutionary. The digital metamorphosis begins. The trust of gold remains, the scarcity of gold remains, The permanence of gold remains. But fused with blockchain, it becomes something more, something that moves, scales, and soars. Digitally native, sustainably mined, 100% backed by certified in-ground resources, borderless, programmable, portable, non-dilutive, forever. Still gold at its core, but evolved. Elevated, reborn. It's as if gold and Bitcoin entered a cocoon together and emerged with golden wings. Not gold, not Bitcoin. A new monetary life form. A smarter, cleaner, more advanced monetary asset ready for the world ahead. NatGold isn't a replacement. It's the natural evolution of both. A synthesized monetary liberation. A breakthrough that captures everything gold and Bitcoin were meant to be, without what held them both back. The real digital gold is born. And now, it flies. And a new global conversation begins. Progress without sacrifice. The environmental and social benefits weren't the plan. They were the outcome. In the pursuit of a better monetary system, NatGold discovered a better way to treat the planet and the people who live on it. NatGold didn't begin as a sustainability project, but it became one naturally. Because when money is built right, it fixes far more than finance. Traditional mining scars landscapes. NatGold protects them. Crypto mining consumes enormous energy. NatGold operates in harmony with nature. This is not exclusion. This is evolution. NatGold honors gold's history. It honors Bitcoin's awakening. And it synthesizes something stronger. Through its social give-back and benefit-sharing model, NatGold elevates the communities connected to its value, just as it uplifts the investors who support it. This is progress without sacrifice, wealth without destruction, growth without guilt. The future of value. We are not just minting tokens. We are creating a movement toward cleaner wealth, smarter value, and a more ethical monetary future. Owning NatGold means owning gold's truth. Without the harm, without the waste, without the burden. This is how money evolves. This is how progress feels. This is the new monetary standard. NatGold, a superior fiat money alternative token. No matter how you look at it, it just makes sense.